In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion integration and connect it to a page or database. We're going to walk through the full setup process in a simple and practical way. So by the end, your integration will be created correctly and will also have access to the Notion content you want it to work with. This is an important process if you plan to connect Notion with another app, a custom workflow, or any automation tool that needs permission to read or update your workspace content. To get started, open Notion and go to your integrations page. This is the area where Notion lets you create and manage internal integrations for your workspace. Once you're there, click on New Integration to begin the setup. Next, add a name for the integration. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if you create more than one integration over time. After that, select the workspace where this integration will be used. Make sure you choose the correct workspace, since the integration will only have access within that environment. You'll then be asked to choose the permissions the integration needs. This part matters because permissions control what the integration is allowed to do, such as reading content, updating pages, or interacting with databases. It's a good idea to give only the access that's actually necessary for your use case. Keeping permissions limited helps keep your workspace more secure and easier to manage. Once that's done, save the integration. After saving, Notion will provide an internal integration token. Copy this token and store it somewhere safe because it works like a private access key for the integration. You'll usually need it when connecting Notion to another platform or tool. Be careful not to share it publicly or include it anywhere insecure. Now that the integration exists, the next step is to give it access to the specific content you want it to use. Open the Notion page or database you want to connect. Creating the integration alone is not enough because Notion still requires you to explicitly share each page or database with it. To do that, open the share options for the page or database and share it with the integration you just created. Once that access is granted, the integration will be able to interact with that content based on the permissions you selected earlier. And that's it. Your Notion integration is now set up, your token has been generated, and your chosen page or database has been shared so the connection can work properly.